Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today I've made curry chicken Cornish hen with some white rice, some avocado, aka pear.
Yes, Cornish hen, the little bird, not the big bird. Okay, the little ones today, okay?
My brother-in-law called it baby bird.
Yes, baby bird we got today. But look how this...
The curry is...
Look at that curry, there's the curry for me.
The color.
Huh.
It's really good.
It's the color for me of the curry. That's how your curry supposed to look, okay? You probably gotta get on the story about the how when we went to get the food. The food.
I thought this was a...
Oh, you got something on your eye. Let me take it off for you. Hey, Tom, you probably gotta get on the story about how we waited so long for the curry goat that we finally taste it.
Why did I get them a story? Why can't you get them a story?
No, you name it, I mean you. Family, she bought the curry goat and I give me none, you know?
Yeah.
Family, she bought the curry goat. We've been waiting for months.
Sure
We heard about it. We had to go to Fort Lauderdale for it, and she bought it and tore it up and didn't give me none.
Yep, that's right.
It's all good. But damn, yo, this how it looking, huh? Yeah. Hot. It's hot. Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, family, it fell. Damn, look at that curry. It's the curry for me. Look at that. And family. No, it's not no coldest water bottle. I had to upgrade.
The cheapest.
It's the cheapest water bottle. Courtesy of the Greedy Couple, you know? That's what it is. No, I'm not sponsored. No, it's not the coldest water bottle. Greedy Couple water bottle. Where's the link? Tell them where the link is, because they didn't hear what the link is in a long time.
The link is in the blank section.
On the bottom.
On the bottom.
So check it out. Yo, give me my pear, my yogurt. Family, happy Monday.
I hope you guys having a good, what is it, Memorial Day? Or Labor Day? One of them. I always confuse them.
One of those days.
If you're off and you're barbecuing,
I just ate
let
a
us
ginger,
know.
you know?
You know my ginger?
Yeah.
We're gonna barbecue tomorrow, not today.
I'm not calling these people name no more. Yeah, I'm not calling no more. They don't deserve to call their name no more.
Wow. You're vexed.
I just use it. I'm saying?
You guys had a good weekend? I hope so. I had a good weekend.
They all of them is barbecuing.
I'm barbecuing. Grilling, chilling, chilling.
Whatever y'all did, send it to the Instagram. Let me see what y'all dealing with. Damn,
What you guys cooked. You have to burn your curry, guys. Have to.
Yeah, you have to. That's the key. Curry chicken. Where my curry chicken lovers at?
Love curry chicken. It's my favorite.
Have you nothing?
Curry anything. Curry chicken, curry shrimp, curry foot.
These little hens. Work.
Had a lot of meat too.
A lot of meat. Wow. Damn. Wow.
The gravy is delicious.
Fantastic.
You made a mess. You like your curry with rice and peas, or with food, aka dumpling and banana? I don't know. Curry to me should always be eaten with white rice.
Best thing.
I'm gonna learn how to make some roti.
Want to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, did we do a video with that already?
We did, but we didn't make it.
We didn't make a roti, but boy.
It was good.
I ate a ginger.
I didn't realize the roti was that big. Cause we could just boil one.
They was huge, family.
Huge. I just felt eating some curry today. Some curry chicken.
What's that? The big price of thing.
What? How much fees?
$15, sir. Alright, family. Back to this. Chatty Shanice, my youth. Like everything I freaking do bother you, yo. Every freaking
It
thing
sure
I do.
does. You're annoying.
Bother your freaking ass. Every freaking thing I do bother you. Sure.
Annoying.
It piss me off my yo. Shot too much.
Whatever.
Something is on your face. Let me take it off for you.
Get out of here.
I love fuck you.
Yeah, you sure do.
So family.
I tell you, boy, the fakeness is real.
Family. Listen. Our weekend was good.
What's good?
You know what I'm saying? As I said before, there's this place in Fort Lauderdale. This is the first day they want to tell the story. Me and First Lady went down there when we, when we go to Fort Lauderdale, yes, you know what we go to Fort Lauderdale for. What? Yeah, same place. Yes, with the woman them love, IKEA, yeah. Okay. Quick story. So, we went down to Fort Lauderdale. First Lady said to me, do you want to go to Fort Lauderdale to go buy your incense? I was thinking about my incense because I want incense, but she used that as an excuse to go to IKEA because she wanted to go to IKEA because IKEA is right next to the swap shop. So I said, all right, because I really want my incense. She said, oh yeah, we got to go to IKEA too. I said, yeah, oh, so that's why you want me to go down there. Right, family? So we went because we know we don't mind to drive, you know what I mean? Because we drive because we know we're going to window shop and buy some food. So we drove. First, we gotta stop at that Krispy Kreme. Get them donuts,
I ain't telling all our business.
I'm telling everything.
What the?
What the freak?
Somebody wants your
Somebody
food.
grab my damn fuck out my damn hand.
But you gotta tell them. So when my mother was here last time.
Go. See? Why you never start a story? See? You see? That's why I started bad. I started mix up that you confusion.
Whatever.
Okay, go ahead.
My mother was here in May. You guys remember. And she told us that there's this place in Fort Lauderdale that sells goat, and the goat is spicy, peppery.
We love the pepper.
Seasoned well,
Yeah.
thick gravy. And so I'm saying to myself, how you just come to Fort Lauderdale and you find a spot already, and we've been living here for so long, and we haven't found a good place that sells goat that's really good.
Yeah.
So my cousin who lives in Fort Lauderdale, she bought food from there. My mother ate it. And she was like, that goat was the best goat that she's had.
No cap.
In Fort Lauderdale. So when she told me, I'm like, I gotta tell Richie, because we gotta go.
Once I hear food, I'm down for it.
Okay. So after she left and everything, about 3 weeks later, we had to go to IKEA to get some more stuff for the kitchen. Okay, this is like in June now. You guys know around that time we was going to IKEA all the time. So we said, okay, we're gonna try the goat. They only make the goat on Fridays, according to my cousin. So we was like, okay, cool, because we normally go to IKEA on a Friday.
Yeah.
So we go to IKEA, we do our normal stuff, give them enough time, to open up for lunch or to have lunch ready. So we got there about 11:45, almost 12 o'clock. And we said, we're gonna have some goat. We're gonna get some goat. The man said the goat not ready yet.
Goat not ready yet.
So AKA, he said the goat is not ready as of yet. So we're like, it's almost 12 o'clock. Goat not ready yet? He said, goat not ready yet. So we said, okay, what time is it gonna be ready? He said about 1 o'clock, 1:30. So I said, damn. Basically, you just started cooking the goat. So me and Richie said, we can't wait. So we went to Donna's and we named fried chicken and it was good and we went home.
Yes.
So now, fast forward 2 months later.
2 months, see? 2 months later. That was still on our mind.
Still on our mind. We decided to go to IKEA to go ahead and get some stuff for the house, and Richie wanted to get some incense. This time, we decided to time it out properly. We didn't leave early like we did last time. We left about 9:30. So by the time we get to IKEA and I browse around, get what I gotta get, it's gonna be like 1 o'clock. Goat should be ready. Richie said, call the place to make sure that they have goat before we get there. I called the place, they said that they have goat. Good. Go ahead, my love.
Okay. Well, I said they called the place. I made sure they had the goat, as she said. So listen, one thing with us. When somebody tells us something about a store or about any place, as long as there's reviews, we're reviewing them. Okay. So we gotta do our thing, right? So take off a piece and left my thing, my you love take my pear, my you have 2 pieces of pear in there, you know.
You too freaking lie. 2 piece of pear union. You spin out watch you?
She what? Family.
Brutes, yeah.
So listen. So you know, we do our research. I know you do your research too. After we read the reviews, that's what there's reviews for. But everybody have different opinions. So boom. I'm driving. I said, first lady, pull up the reviews before we go on. So first lady, okay, I got this. You jump on it. Boom, read the review. This restaurant is nice. Not called no name. This restaurant is nice, but they serve a little portion of food for the money. Okay? This restaurant is nice, but the cashier is very rude. The curry goat is very nice, spicy, just the way you like it. You know what I'm saying? But the cashier is rude.
Yep.
Right? So, we got a couple of those reviews in there, but they say it's a nice place.
A lot of them, a lot.
Okay. So anyone go so far.
Not tell a lie. Everybody was saying the same thing.
Everybody
the
was saying
cashier,
that.
rude and fierce, you know,
Yeah, so, and they were talking about the food is a little bit of portion for the price and whatever, but it's a great little spot, you know what I mean? If you want real authentic Jamaican food, and you know what I'm saying? So we said, okay. We said, we're going to try it ourselves, because we've been wanting to try the goat. You know what I'm saying? So we drove there. I just came out the car, we started smelling food. I said, God damn, man, for a second, wow. This place smells good. You know what I'm saying, family? So we pull up in the car, right?
Yep.
Stop looking at me, my youth. Now look at me. All right.
Nope.
So we pull up we pull out there, we're like, damn. Smell all type of food, jerk, chicken, all type of crap cooking. I said, okay. Let's go see if these reviewers lying or what they say about the cashier. But we never know that cashier is going to be in here. We thought it's different cashiers. So anyway, we went in, and first they said, let me get a lunch special curry goat, white rice. The server was very nice. It was very nice and attentive. Okay. So while she was sharing them, at first looking like, damn, this food look good.
Right color.
Right color.
Gravy
thick. Smelling scrumptious. So say, come. So we said, all right. We're like, this food gonna be busting, right? So boom now. So we's about to pay. You finish your part now.
So.
This is where the story get good.
Alright, good. So I said to her, the cashier, now mind you, listen, the cashier's face looked like she smelled dog shit. That's how her face looked, just mean. But I'm not gonna let that bother me because I just want to get my goat and leave. Me and you are friends, we don't have to chat, right? So I said to her, how much is it? I'll know she don't answer me. So I figured maybe she didn't hear me. So I said, how much is it? 8 or 3. So I said, okay. I said, cool. Well, I have 3 cents. 3 cents.
Yeah, because I gave her $10.
So Richie gave me the 3 cents and I handed it to her. And she's looking like this.
But no, that's not why she's looking at you like that. That's not why she's looking at it that way. Because she saw something else. Tell them people she saw first like this. She saw first thing like this. At first it was like talking with her
I
head
was just talking because I don't have my ring on right now.
Yeah.
I took it off to get it cleaned. It's cleaning, and I just didn't put it back on right now. Right? So whatever. So I'm like just talking. I'm like, okay, how much is it? Like, you know how you go, how much is it like that?
At first it was looking scrumptious, you know, first it ticked like a snicker.
It's so stupid.
Yeah, so she knows she's looking at first up in there like this. Who you? Yeah, go ahead.
So I gave her the change. So when I handed her the change like that, She looked at my wedding ring. She looked at me. She looked at me up and down. And I guess that pissed her off. Don't know why, but it pissed her off. Whatever. So I gave her, she gave me like the $2 and I said, thank you. So our food is already shared out. All he needs to do, already paid for. All he needs to do is just put in the bag and that was it. So I'm standing there and I'm like, when's she gonna put the food in the bag? So again, I don't like to bother people at work. I just get my food so I can leave. So about a minute or two afterwards, she put the food in the bag and handed it to us. Not sure why she didn't bin hang this our food. It's already paid for, but whatever. So we left and stuff like that. And I'm leaving out and she's still
making her looking at first like, who the hell is this?
Okay.
Who's this?
But
who's this queen?
But I'm gonna tell you one thing. I'm gonna go back.
We gonna go back, family. Yo.
Me, I gotta go back.
Family. You know what? Shh. You know, after we left there, we went to Donna's too, because we said if that food don't taste good, we gotta eat our fried chicken.
Yeah.
So we bought 2 food. So I got my fried chicken. And first, I got her fried chicken with the goat. Oh my God, family! First, they tear up the goat and then they give me nothing.
That's right. The goat.
One
was good.
taste. That goat was. Listen, let me tell you something. One thing with me, I like when first lady enjoy her food. I'm like, oh my God, please does she like this food? So I made her taste it first. So she tasted it. She said, wow, this is really good. So I'm asking like about 5 times. You sure it's good? Because she's very picky with food. So she said, okay, she eating. I said, okay. She like it. She said, you want to taste? So she tastes and she eat that meat. I'll suck off the bone. I said, yeah. She likes it because she ain't gonna suck off the bone. She'll like your family. She gave me one taste and that was it.
That was it. That was all
she ain't give me none. She ain't give me no more of that food.
But I'm gonna tell you one thing. Mega go back.
We gonna go back.
AKA translation, I will be going back.
We gonna go back, family.
I'll take the abuse.
Yeah, we take the abuse. Yeah, and I'm not buying no special. I'm buying me one for myself. I'm buying an extra large plate. It was that good, family.
The goat was that good. I would go back and take the abuse.
Yeah, it was good.
No cap. What I would do is I just won't speak to her. I make sure I have my 803 ready. Here you go. Because I can't get banned from that place. You mind?
For real. Well, family, when first they said how much, the second time when she answered with the attitude, me and first they look at each other like this.
And said the reviews were lying.
The review wasn't lying. That's her.
That's her. That's the cashier.
That's the cashier. We thought that. We were like, yo. But the food was good though, family. I ain't gonna cap. It was real good. Because first they tore that food, tore it up. Nothing was left in that place, family. I know first they don't eat a lot. Yeah. You know that.
I tore it up, but remember, the portions is small, but that's okay for me. But for a person like Richie, he probably need 2 of them to eat, right?
That's why I'm buying the large.
Yeah, I'll get a lunch special. It was just right for me. But I have no problem in saying I would go back and I would take the abuse just to get the goat. I just want to talk to her.
Family, listen, yep, she said that. Family, we've been thinking about it the whole time.
Yep, that's why I said I gotta make some curry chicken.
The whole time, you're like, yo, that was busting. Okay.
Oh man, that was good.
Done?
Okay. Ooh, this was good too.
Family, let me finish eating my last bowl. But yeah, it was good though. So read your reviews. I know y'all ladies already do that already. Read it. Reviews is good. Everybody gonna have their own opinion, but you gotta judge it by your own self. I'm
kind of glad that we read the reviews. That we read the reviews so we can be prepared.
Yes, exactly.
You know? Because a person like me, I will let you, I'll be honest, I will let you slide a couple of times with the attitude because I'm like, whatever. I really don't care. I don't let people get to me that quickly. But then if I feel like you're trying me now,
yeah,
that's a problem.
That's when it come out.
Okay? But if you have an attitude, hey, we all have bad days. Okay, whatever.
But we know, we just laugh and say, yep, that was her. They said the cashier, she's the only one that handled that money. Okay, family. But it was good though.
It was busting.
That was a little quick story. Because I know y'all want to know. Alright. What you got going on?
Oh, you got something in your face. Let me get it off.
Take it off for me. Oh, make sure you take it off. Family.
It's an inside joke.
It's an inside joke. Don't follow us. We are bad.
Don't bother. Don't pay us no mind. If you try to pay us any mind, you go crazy. Don't do it.
It came off, honey?
It came off, baby.
Okay. Family, stop. Don't do that. Don't follow us. We troublemakers, okay? But what?
God.
This is our channel. We do what we want, okay? All right. Listen up. All right. Wait, I clear my nose. All right. Family, first lady. Listen, family, first lady. Yeah, listen up right now. Anxiety happens when you think you have to figure out everything all at once. Breathe, okay? You're strong. You got this. Take it day by day.
If you're watching, you know who we're talking about.
That's why I said that one.
know. If you're watching, you know who we're talking about. Get it together.
And you know it's all love over here.
One day at a time.
All love over here, okay?
Yeah.
We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. Thank you for joining in our conversation. With this channel, we just talk about anything and just laugh, you know what I'm saying? As long as we could put a smile on your face, that's what we're here for. And we appreciate them good comments, because we see a lot of comments with like, oh, we made people they come over here and watch the videos. I see a lot of comments. You see I'm doing better at my job now, I'm coming back. Okay.
That's another story, family.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, the one and only First Lady. So remember that nobody else here.
Oh God! Listen, I have a story time for you guys. Okay, next time. So we know that there are. I'm gonna tell upon you. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.